Some people, them envy you, follow you on Insta just to pre you. Hey, my beautiful danties, how you all doing today? Excuse the fact that I look like an apple right now because I have no hair. I feel like my head shape is shaped like an apple. Yes! So I tried to put this bandana to kind of help, but it didn't do much help. But instead it made my head look like a pear. Anyways, I know you guys are not here for that. Today is a hair video. Do you guys remember the old good days when you only have to spend $20 to get your hair done? With $20 you can be fly. With $20 you can be as bougie as heck. With $20 you can be the baddest bee on the block. Gone are those days, man. Well, all you needed to look pretty is a $2 glue and a $20 fake weave. But nowadays we are so used to, you know, black Brazilian hair, Indian hair, closures, lace frontals, which are quite so expensive. Honestly, when I started buying Brazilian hair, I thought, oh my god, I have arrived. Now money's coming into my account. Because for whatever reason, my dumbass thought having Brazilian hair or doing Brazilian hair or using closures will make me meet Mr. Dollar, or will connect me with Mr. Dollars, you know, the big box. I thought having Brazilian hair automatically makes you rich, you know. Whereby when I open my account there will be automatically hundreds and thousands of dollars. But instead it connected me with Mr. Negative, because each time I check my freaking bank account after buying Brazilian closure, it's freaking minus $20, minus $40, minus $60. I'm like, honey, that was not the plan. So I'm tired. So I decided to part ways, divorce Mr. Negative. Nah, ain't no ashamed no more. So now I'm back to the regular scheduler, old school, invisible part.
Got it! Got it!
So I got me some beauty supply hair, but hey, I didn't even get me no real hair or human hair. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that.
I got plastic hair.
Jesus Christ.
Okay? This sheet is plastic. It says natural way, the new generation synthetic hair. That's right, it's plastic. It's okay though, because once I'm done with this, because my hands are so blessed, honey, I'm gonna turn this plastic into gold. You doubt me? You watch me. Okay, this intro is definitely too long. I apologize. You know I'm a damn fool. So I am using today this guy. It's a really pretty color. It's an ombre. I'm even using ombre. Oh my god, who even does ombre no more? But hey, me. It's a silky yaki weave. I bought two 16 inches and one 14 inch, making 3 packs, and that's the color. And not only am I gonna be doing the invisible part, aka make your closure yourself, aka be fly while cheap, aka the ghetto chick on the street, aka oh your hair is lifting if you don't lay down well, aka your hair is gonna smell of glue the whole time you carry the hair. But not like I care. I want to be fly without having to spend so much money, so I'm going back to the old school. Thank you. So let's get it started.
Feelings, he got you all in your feelings. But do you know if you're happy? 'cause that's the card that I'm dealing. You're feeling anxiety? Well, baby, come try me. You always tell me to look you up, so why you staying so booed up?
Hopefully I don't get bored from this, but if I do, I hope it's worth it. I've never done a quick weave before, so
So I was just gonna say here, please excuse the foolishness here. I thought I was gonna be able to mold the wig cap with the spray-on gel. This is foolery of the highest order. That didn't work. So I would suggest you actually sew the cap down. Next time I'm gonna be sewing the cap down rather than being silly here. A hot mess. That's what I am. Hot mess. Like, what the bumbo clot is this? Huh? Like, you see what I mean? What is this? Like, what is this? Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay, let me let you go back to enjoying the video.
It's like you're looking for reasons, so you can keep tripping. All we doing is catching up, 'cause you already got booed up.
So all I'm doing here is first measure the weave and cut it, and then put it in the flat iron, because that way it warms it up, and then that way the glue can get warm faster than me having to wait for it to be a little tacky. I put the glue on there and then glue it on. That's how I did in quick weave. I'm sure a lot of you know how to do quick weave already.
I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already booed up. Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody?
And then I make sure to blow dry it just to make sure it's all glued down. And right here I'm showing you that is all of one pack. This is really little in the pack. I mean, it's only $14.99, so I can't complain. I'm starting with the second pack here. The same thing till I get to the invisible part, then I'll show you how I did the invisible part, because I know that's while we are all here, aren't we? I was just showing you here. Make sure it's tacky before you actually put it on. See how I touched it and there's no glue on my finger? Then that means it's good. It's ready to be laid down. If you lay it down while it's still watery, honey, it's just gonna be sliding and slippery, and nah, we don't want that.
So much for you, so much for you, but you.
Yay, all done with the quick weave. Now we're on to the invisible part now. That is how the hair is looking like now. So here you take a sheet of weave and open it. There's usually 2 sheets in one weft. So open that weft up, because you want your invisible part to lay down really flat. That's what I'm saying there. There are 2 sheets in a weft. I hope that makes sense. Open it up. So I'm using that little scissors to open the thread, to open it up into 2. And then you measure for the appropriate size. I still warm it up in the flat iron so that the glue is faster to get tacky, because you want it to get tacky before you lay it down, and then you start laying it down. So measure, cut, put in the flat iron, put your glue, and then lay it down. And when you're laying it down, please lay it down straight. Do not slant it left and right. Straight. That way you'll be able to get a perfect invisible part. See here, I was saying don't slant it left and right. Don't slant it at all. Straight. Lay it down on top of each other straight. And make sure you're laying it on top of each other, okay? Like not directly on top of each other, but like really close. That's what I mean. See how I'm laying it down really straight? Don't slant it, baby. Don't slant it now. Okay?
Pulling you close to my arms, wrapping these.
You then take your finger and use it to align it with the previous one that you put there. You take your finger use it to push it in, like align it with the one you previously laid in. That's what I was doing with my fingers.
I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you.
Do you guys see this sorcery here? See how bomb that looks. See how it looks like it's growing out of my scalp. Damn. Yeah, that comes that pink eye again. I was just showing you use it to push. See how I'm using my finger to push it in so it can align and be straight. That's right. That's really important. That will give you a flawless invisible part, baby. I don't know why I've been sleeping on this style for many years now. I used to do it before and then I stopped. I'm back now, baby. I'm bringing the invisible part back, baby. And there's nothing nobody can do about it.
Cause you already got moved up. I've been dreaming about you, waking up with you in my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else I'm gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? I'm talking keys with me.
So far, so good, baby. You know, I was just checking the work of my hand. Sometimes you gotta check yourself out, you know. Oh, here I was just showing you the length of the hair. Here, even though the hair is not done, I'm not sure what I'm doing actually. Let me not lie. But no, look at that though. Look at that. I'm tired blessed though. Isn't the Lord good? Okay, let's continue.
So much for you, but you already booed up. Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Tell me why you went and boot up. Touch my body, Mariah Carey said, can't nobody that's keep sweat. And I'm gonna be with you till the end. I wanna be a man. Baby, are you ready?
Okay, it seems like I'm done with the invisible part. Now we're going to close that hole in the back. So I started laying it backwards till the hole becomes really small. We're going to make a closure.
I do so much for you, but you're already booed up.
Now it's closure time, baby. Now we're going to roll. You don't need to divide the weft this time. Just use the regular weft and start rolling it. Not rolling it like a joint or a blunt. We don't do that here. Okay, yeah, so measure it to see it's big enough or small enough to go in the hole, and that is how it looks like. And then you will open it like an umbrella. See how you opened it? For whatever reason, I don't know how the camera didn't record this, and I use my flat iron to flatten it down. Make sure you really flatten it down. See how it looks flawless? And then put your glue and put it in the hole, and there you go. Your hair is all done. See how flawless and beautiful that looks. So we're all done. So isn't that beautiful though? But honestly though, let me not lie to you, I feel like my part is a little bit too wide. It kind of looks like Moses passed the Red Sea a little bit to me, you know. But I kind of fixed it later in the future. I have another video on that one. So I'm sorry, I'm not going to be showing you guys how I cut it into a beautiful bob in this video. Stay tuned for part 2. Part 2 is coming. You will see how I turn this hair. It's already cute and all, but then I turn it into fire. Okay, man, you will not be disappointed. I'm proud of myself, okay. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in part 2 of this video. Okay, it's not over yet until it's over. No, wait for it. Boom, laka. Like, what? Who do I think I am? Like, who the heck do I think I am? Like, wow, this is one of my best hair creation, and I've done a lot of hair in my life. Okay, I love this, if I do say so myself. Let me let you enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you in part 2, where you see how I transform that hair to this. Yes, baby, yes. I love you guys. Mwah. Stay tuned for part 2, okay?
It's like you're looking for reasons, so you can keep tripping. All we're doing is catching up, cause you already got booed up. I've been dreaming about you, waking up with you in my